Step 1. Open a web browser and go to commonapp.org. Step 2. If you have already registered for Common App, click Apply Now and enter your email address and password. If you have not yet registered for Common App, click on Apply Now, then click the Create an Account link. To register, enter the required email and password information and complete the registration information as required. Step 3. Once you are logged into your Common App account, you must complete the following tasks before you can match your account. 1. Complete the current or most recent school segment of the Education section located in the Common App tab. Make sure to choose the school you are currently attending by clicking Find School. 2. Add at least one college to your My Colleges list by searching for colleges and universities under College Search. 3. Read and sign the FERPA release authorization in the Recommenders and FERPA section of the My Colleges tab.
Great job! You've completed the initial steps for creating a Common App account. Now, let's match your Common App account to Naviance Student. Matching these accounts allows you to start managing your college application process through Naviance Student. You can find the Common App matching process by heading over to Colleges and then Colleges I'm applying to. Once there, if your account has not been matched, you will see a pink banner indicating that you need to match your accounts. Click the Match Accounts button. Read through the Common App account matching information. You'll also find helpful links here to register for Common App, in case you haven't already, and signing the FERPA waiver. Those steps should have already been completed when registering your account using the directions from the first part of this video. Enter the same email address you used to register with Common App. Next, enter your date of birth. Now, click Match Accounts. If the information is correct, you will be successfully matched with your Common App account. If it is not, you will see a red error status at the top of the page. Double-check your information and try again. If you have followed all of the steps outlined in this video, your Common App and Naviance student accounts should now be matched.